Well, you catch it. You suck. Gretel, catch it. Gretel, you catch it. You catch it. You speak. You want it? You want it? Gretel, you want it? Gretel, where's it?
No, you're stepping in wrong love.
I'm alright.
It's frozen. So.
Gretel. Gretel. Gretel, are you naked? You're eating snow. Gretel. Gretel, you eat snow? Gretel, you naked? She doesn't want to bark today. What are you doing?